Hi friends, today I'm just going to be removing this door handle, actually, yeah. So first thing I want to do is I'm just going to loosen these up. These screws on the outside right here. And then loosen this one up. Put that off the side. Well, it's a little bit tight, so let's get it. There we go. Okay. And next we want to remove these screws right here. It can be kind of a tough angle. Well, that's really loose, looser than it should be. These are already loosened, pretty loose. So sometimes because you're coming in at a weird angle, you have to push kind of hard to make sure it doesn't like strip the screw. This one looks like it's going to be okay. Just unscrew this. And then unscrew the other one. You can reach around and hold the door handle in from the other side so it doesn't fall out of there. And these screws are pretty long, so just be a little patient. And you can even pull them out with your hands once they're done. There's that. Just take that part off, pull that portion out, and you can just slide this out. Sometimes it might stick in there a little bit. Just wiggle it back and forth and it should come right out of there just like that. That's all there is to it, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.